Your loved ones are right to have questions about the COVID-19 vaccine. The American public hasn't watched vaccine development this closely since Dr. Jonas Salk discovered how to immunize kids from polio in the 50s. But vaccine hesitancy could put a dangerous damper on the country's COVID-19 response. Pockets of some populations most at risk of severe sickness from COVID-19, including young nurses and Black Americans, are still dubious of the vaccine, because of the speed at which it was developed, its contents and potential side effects. To answer questions your family and friends may have about the COVID-19 vaccine, we consulted with two experts. Drive. William Schaffner, a professor in the Division of Infectious Diseases at the Vanderbilt University School of MedicineDr. Ruth Karron, a leading vaccine expert and professor of international health at the Johns Hopkins Bloomberg School of Public Health. Medical experts, successful clinical trials and the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention have repeatedly assured us of the safety and effectiveness of the two COVID-19 vaccines available now, from Moderna and Pfizer. But health experts take your concerns seriously, too, said Schaffner. We have to regard everybody's hesitation and skepticism seriously, he said. This is a new virus in the human population. New vaccines using new technologies. So you understand that people are somewhat hesitant. You can say, that's fair. Vaccine ingredient lists include a lot of lengthy names only a chemist would recognize. Here are some of the main ingredients in the Moderna and Pfizer vaccines, the two vaccines currently authorized for use, and how they work. mRNA, short for messenger ribonucleic acid, mRNA is a genetic software that tells cells how to make the coronavirus spike protein, the structure the virus uses to invade cells. The mRNA gets your immune system's attention, so it's prepared to attack the spike protein if infection occurs. The mRNA disintegrates as soon as it relays its message, Schaffner said, and you excrete its remnants. Fatty lipids. The mRNA is very fragile, so it's coated in a fatty lipid to protect it. The lipids, a buttery substance, can melt at room temperature, which is why both vaccines must be kept at extremely cold temperatures. Fatty lipids used in COVID-19 vaccines include polyethylene glycol 2000 and cholesterol, among others. Salts and sugars. Salts like potassium chloride and sodium chloride are in the vaccine to balance the acidity in your body, according to the MIT Technology Review. Sugar, listed as sucrose, is there so the vaccine nanoparticles keep their shape. Other vaccines still in trials in the US, like AstraZeneca's, rely on different technologies than mRNA and therefore have different ingredients.